Today's little recycle project. It's an old cupboard one of the neighbours was chucking out. We're going to make it into something super useful. So it's got a switch gear, it's all sealed, so you need to screw it onto something. I've got a fan unit, and there's even a light in there. Exactly what I need. Doing a quick test. Hopefully it's still working after sitting in the rain for a couple of days. I don't think the lights will work because I think the bulbs have gone. Let's refresh and see. No, no lights. Awesome. Oh yeah, one extractor welding cupboard. Especially good as I spend most of my time welding there. Cheers guys.